In this video, I will show you the data pre-processing part. So you have already logged in to the CCPM portal, and in modules you can see I have already showed you in the earlier video the data upload part. Now we will go for data pre-processing. So you can click data pre-processing. On the main page you will find the description about the tasks, add tasks and my tasks. So I will show you. In the task there are my tasks and add tasks. So I will go to add task for the data pre-processing, and you can give experiment name or code to your data pre-processing part. So I give it as a demo. Again there are two options, single project and cross project. If you want to pre-process the data samples which are present in a single project, then you can click here. And if you want to pre-process or compare the data between two distinct projects, you can go to the cross project. So as you click the cross project, you see now you can select two different projects. One you can select here and the other you can select on the another tab. So I will show you with single project. So in single project you can select a project. After selecting that project, in set 1 all the groups that are present in the project you have selected above will be shown. So for an example, I take group 1 here, and then I take the and I select the instrument name what I have already filled earlier with the metadata in the metadata. So now these are the three samples present in group 1 that are shown here. So you can select a single sample, you can select two sample, or you can select all samples. It's up to you. For example, I select two samples here from group 1. Again, to compare the two samples of group 1 with two samples of group 2, I will select group 2 in set 2, and then I will select the instrument, and for example I take these two samples. So a single click on the samples will select and deselect the sample. Again, there are some standard values already filled in this tab, and the user can also change it according to their need. Like in peak detection, the user can change it to match filter methods. The ppm, minimum peak width and maximum peak width, can be selected by the users. In alignment, density or mz cluster and the nearest can be selected by the users. And in retention time correction, user can select OBRAP or peak groups. So a default value has already been taken by the portal itself, and after that submit the button will submit the job, and it will pop on with a small window. So you can click OK, and it will take you to the page my tasks, where you can see all of your earlier tasks that you have submitted. So as you can see, these are the status of the task. You can view the results and you can delete the task. And again you can go to my tasks, to see the status of your last submitted job. So as you can see, in your last submitted job is still running, and after some time when the task will be completed, it will show a completed status, and you can add a view result option, and a delete tasks option. So this is how you submit a job for data preprocessing.